Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix an iPhone microphone that isn't working properly. So first, check whether the microphone openings are blocked by dust, debris, or your phone case. And remove the case and gently clean around the microphone openings using a soft, dry brush. And do not insert anything sharp into the openings. Next, test your microphone using the Voice Memos app. Record a short clip and play it back to see whether your voice sounds clearer. And if it works there but not in another app, then open settings and go to privacy and security. And scroll down and tap on microphone. Make sure the affected app has microphone permissions. You can also restart your iPhone and check for an available iOS update. And if the microphone still doesn't work across multiple apps, then the problem could be hardware related. So those are the main ways to troubleshoot iPhone microphone problems. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.